Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is my baby girl's promotion from preschool. As you can see, she got a little award here of best writing and her little certificate of completing the program. I put my chicken breast in. I'm gonna let it sit there for about 20 minutes, okay, while I get my other pot ready for the tomatillos and the chile serranos. I'm gonna fill this one up halfway with water. So let's get the water here rinsed out. We're gonna go ahead and dump them in here. We have 7 of those in there. I'm gonna grab 4 chile serranos. I'm gonna take off the little tail and wash them as well. Throw them in there as well with the tomatillos. Okay, so while I let the tomatillos and the chicken sit there, I'm gonna go ahead and cut up my onion and my cilantro, and we'll go from there while this little thing starts boiling up.
Smells good, Chef.
Smells good?
Smells good, Chef.
Alrighty, little Chef Mousy. You wanna help me put half an onion in there? Just be really careful. Go ahead and put it in there. Go ahead and put it in there. Just slide it in there and just drop it. No, just the full of it. You need help? Okay, so we're just gonna put it in there, just like that. And we're gonna leave it there to boil with the chicken. Okay, so that's gonna give us a little delicious chicken broth. So for my red rice, what I use to make my red tomato sauce for that specifically is I'm gonna go ahead and use a little lata of tomato sauce. Okay, it's the Hunt's. You can use really any tomato sauce. Well, I like the Hunt's, so I'm gonna pour it all in there. Okay, I'm gonna go, when I cut the onion, I cut it in 4 pieces and I get 1 of those pieces of the onion. Then I get 1 garlic clove. I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of the chicken bouillon, half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 cups of water. Okay. I'm gonna blend it. I'm gonna go ahead and chop it up. Okay. Now I'm gonna taste it. Oh my gosh, guys, tastes yummy. So I don't like to put a lot of salt on mine, so if you like yours a little extra salty, then you can always put more salt or more chicken bouillon, but honestly guys, like this, it's perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna come back this way. I have my pot, it's already heated. I'm gonna put some oil in there, just a tiny bit, doesn't have to be a lot. Okay, it's pretty hot. I left it there for a while. Okay, so the rice that I have is equal to this cup. Okay, so I'm gonna pour it in there. I'm just gonna mix it. So this rice will basically feed up to 5 people. And if you were to add 2 cups of rice, then you would be adding 4 cups of water. Okay? As you can see guys, one of them erupted. Ready to go in the blender so we can make our green sauce. Okay? I'm gonna bring my tomato red sauce over here and just pour it over. Ooh! Smells delicious, guys. Just gonna mix it thoroughly. I'm gonna let it boil. Once it boils, I'm gonna cover it. Now once it starts boiling, we're gonna close it. And we're gonna leave it on low for the next 20 minutes. Okay, guys? Now we're gonna do our green salsa. We're gonna add one of the 4 pieces of the onion that I told you guys to chop in 4 pieces. We're gonna start putting our tomatillos in there and our chile serrano. Add the same water that I used to boil them. I'm gonna add up to not even halfway. Okay. After we added half of teaspoon of our salt and a tablespoon of the chicken bouillon, we're gonna go ahead and bring this little guy over here. So here we have 4 chile serranos, the 8 tomatillos, 1 garlic clove, and 1/4 of the onion that I was telling you guys, and almost halfway full of water. Okay, so now let's try our salsa. It's pretty good, guys. It's a bit spicy, so if you guys don't really like spicy food, maybe just add 2 chile serranos instead of 4. Put it in the same pot that I boiled the chile serranos and the tomatillos. Leave it just there and let it boil. Okay, I'm gonna check our rice. Okay, guys, so I have my shredded chicken now. I'm gonna start off with my children's chicken tacos. I'm gonna grab the tortilla and just place the chicken in there. Okay, I'm gonna fold it just like this and wrap it around like a little burrito. I'm gonna flatten it out and put it in the oil. I'm gonna let it sit there. This is for the kids. 2 chicken flautas with some red rice, authentic. My baby girl's request for her little promotion from pre-K. She's officially gonna be a kindergartner and she loves this. Okay, guys, so now we put our tortilla in the oil. We let it harden up a bit. Okay. We don't want it too soft, because if it's too soft, it can break once you put it in the green sauce. We let it crisp up a little, just a tiny bit. We don't want it too crispy either. Okay. Should be good. Now we just dip it into our salsa. Turn it around. Put it in our plate. Grab our dipped tortilla that's already been dipped on the salsa. And we put some of our shredded chicken in the tortilla. And we're gonna wrap it up like a little burrito. Slide it right over. Do the same thing with the other one. Okay. Now that we have our enchiladas and our red rice, we're gonna put some sour cream, as much as you want to. Okay, and then we're gonna come on over this way. I'm gonna put some cilantro. Okay, and some onion. After we have our sour cream, cilantro, and onions, we're gonna pour some of our green sauce over it, and we're gonna add some mozzarella cheese. Just gonna put them over our enchiladas. Okay guys, so there you have it, an authentic Mexican plate. They are green sauce enchiladas with some red rice. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe.